All right, today I would like to quickly remind you how to use the Sora app. The Sora app is very similar to Libby. Libby gives you content from the public library. Sora will give you ebook content that has been purchased by Sheridan. And if this probably looks familiar to you, if you're in the middle school, this is a library webpage, which you should have bookmarked. If you're in the high school, feel free to use this under search for books. On the bottom, it says Sora eBooks. You could click here. Now, for those of you who don't use my library webpage because you're across the street and you're too big for it, go ahead and type in soraapp.com. And this screen will show up. And this is so easy. My school is Sheridan High School Middle School. So I click on that. And there is my login. You need to use your NLSD account. And this is going to look very, very similar to Libby. I'm going to go down here at the bottom. Here's our home screen. Here's my shelf. I can go there if I have anything checked out. Actually, let me show you real quick on the top right-hand corner, and I'm going to do this really quickly. When you click on the three lines, this is going to show you which libraries that you're looking at. As you can see, I have the Ohio Digital Library. I have the public library here on my Sora app as well. You probably don't unless you've done that on purpose, and you can. Right now, you just are using the Sheridan High School Middle School. I'm going to click on Explore. And as you can see, I have put on the front page here some of the new ebooks that I've chosen. I just read this. It's excellent. I'm going to click on these books. And as you can see, these are all some newer books that I have purchased. And let's say you want to check out, let's check out The Warrior's Heart. You can click on Borrow. If it doesn't say Borrow, you might have to place it on hold. Once I click on Borrow, it's automatically going to take me to the reader. And if you paid attention on the Libby tutorial, you'll see how to use, move through the story. Down here, when you click on the bottom, it's going to bring up some more choices like font size, background color, etc. All right, I'm going to close this. And another thing that you can do when you're exploring is you can explore by topics down here. I've also, here's some more new ebooks, books that I want to read, books that are available right now, popular books. But you can also just go to the top of the page right here where it says search for book and type in a book title. So I wanted to make sure that you're aware that you can read ebooks, books on any of your devices right now for free, easily with the Sora app. And if you're using Libby, you could add Libby to this app, and everything would be in one place. That's pretty awesome too. If you have any questions, just email me. Thank you.